This is February, excuse me, yeah, I am tired. This is March 18, 2025. And this is the first really big snowstorm for the year. This is a storm that would have showed up in November, but now shows up in March. Global warming, who knows? Weather cycles, more likely. These guys love snow. What do you say, Kaiser? This is really a storm. A whiteout. This is poor. The office is down. I got to replace the trans. First and second synchros are wiped out. Look at that, man! Holy shit! That's a storm. That is a real storm. It's a total whiteout. Utah drivers are the absolute worst in the world. The absolute worst. Days like this, you just stay home because they will hit you. They got an ice cream cone in one hand and a cult manual in the other. Kaiser, what are you doing? Kaiser. Pathfinder's waiting on a timing chain service. That ain't gonna be fun. I'd rather do a transmission swap than a timing service any day. Baron loves the snow. You gotta leave him out here to get him exhausted. Yeah, piss on the car. Yeah, that is really something else. I think this is going to be for a day or two, then it'll all melt off. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you out here. Leave you out here in the cold. You can run for another hour. How's that? Isn't that crazy? Crazy weather. March 18th and it's a full-blown snowstorm. I think LA just had a big rainstorm. They get the rain, we get the snow. What do you say, Kaiser? You gonna be a good dog today? Not sure about that, huh? All right.